Rebalance, our response to the brief. What is our relationship to light? Looking at sensors and inputs inspired us to think about how we could use our own bodies to investigate our relationship to light. This is the basis of our proposition. Early research into light led us to choose circadian rhythms as a human phenomenon to base our design on. We decided we wanted to do a project which would create an intersection between light, colour and our physical state. Our initial hypothesis was if light changes, then biomarkers indicating the physical state of an individual will change, with light being our independent variable and biomarkers being our dependent variable. Our concept developed by starting with some practical and theoretical questions, like how can we measure stress? How can we use the body as a switch, using biomarkers as an analog input? And how can we communicate this scenario to an audience to demonstrate our idea, imagining the storytelling scenario of our project? With all these questions, we started our research.
How will we measure and record stress? Our research looked at responsive environments, wearable sensors, biomarkers, GSR sensors, environmental cognition, circadian rhythm. This is our reiterated hypothesis, which prompted some questions. Prototypes. We had 3 ideas: 1 to counteract, to intensify, and mind control. We went with the first idea to counteract. Here is our process.
We then made a prototype using masking tape and cardboard to create a lampshade that distributes the light evenly but also in a calming way. We looked at simple but also homey catalogs from IKEA and Bauhaus to get some inspiration for the visuals, and then we set the whole scene up. Here you can see the sensor being used and the readings being taken from the humidity in the hands, and then how the light changes accordingly to counteract a stress level with red and warm light. This is the final outcome of a reenacted scene of coming home stressed from public transportation and then tapping into the sensor and slowly but surely being rebalanced by the light. This is the final outcome of the poster where we wanted to communicate our idea in a visual and approachable way.